You want to talk land systems? Walk with me. Day 1 of Eurosatory, world premiere, the Tadeas 4x4 command vehicle, welded armored hull, Tenek 4569 level 4 with add-on armor, remotely operated weapon station and gearbox, air-cooled Tatra or liquid-cooled Caterpillar and Cummins. Automatic, automated or manual gearbox. You configure it for the mission. Right next to it, the Tatra Force 8x8, third generation, hook-lift configuration with an armored cap built by Tatra Defense on unique Tatra chassis. And Tatra isn't just on our stand. A dozen other exhibitors here in Paris are building on the same platform. The platform speaks for itself. The CFL-120 Karpat medium tank joint project between CSG and FNSS of Turkey. 120mm cannon, Leonardo Hitfact Mk2 turret, tank level 5 power, modular protection, significantly lower logistic burden than a main battle tank. Not on the stand in person, but definitely worth your attention. Dita 155 self-propelled howitzer, already in service with customers, and Morana 155 howitzer, currently in live fire testing. Treva 30 armored recovery vehicle, RM-71 Vampire rocket system, and more. Everything NATO-standard. That's the baseline. We could keep going, but you get the idea. This is what a full land portfolio looks like.